I was like, oh,
Hi, Peyton.
okay.
Hi,
And then I looked
Megan,
at
we'll
Julia,
miss
and then I
you.
looked at Emma, and Emma was like,
That's nice, Bridget.
this is so awkward. Because I was like, seriously?
We'll make him do something funny now.
Is this a case?
Yeah.
That's sweet. Sweet.
You can zoom in.
Zoom in on
Not
this
very
case.
much, but you.
Can
That's
I
as far as
that
I can
case for
zoom.
my iPad?
Just kidding. You can't put on your iPod anyways.
Well, I really want a case like
Oh,
that.
case. I thought you wanted this. You can't have this either.
So, what do you guys want to say to Megan?
Did you erase that thing? Okay.
Well, what do you want to say to Megan?
Megan,
Did you
I love
erase
you.
it? That's what you want to say to me when I leave for Africa. We
Bridget.
already said bye. Oh, bye, Megan.
Wait, why would you guys make fun of me if I said that I erased that
I
thing?
love you, Megan.
Bridget?
Don't
What?
forget about
What did
me.
you say? What did you say about me when I said, "Did you erase that thing"?
It sounded like, did you re-erase it? Let me see this
She didn't
thing,
even
Carrie.
speak. It was